Top 3 ways to calm your mind using mindfulness. Whenever you're at a chaotic point in life or faced with a stressful situation, it is super easy for your mind to become cluttered and run a mile a minute. This can exacerbate the stress, distract you from the present, and negatively affect your performance at work or home. For this reason, it is important to calm your mind whenever it is cluttered or racing. Mindfulness is one of the best ways to do this. Here are 3 ways that mindfulness can calm your mind during stressful or chaotic times. 1. Inhale positivity, exhale stress. You've probably heard of this idea before, but one of the best ways to calm your mind through mindfulness is to think that you are inhaling positivity and exhaling stress. This practice is mindful because it draws attention to both your breath and feelings in the present. As a result, it quiets your mind and helps you to better cope with the stressful situation. To do this practice, start by breathing normally and close your eyes. Your breath will naturally start to slow on its own. Whenever you're ready, imagine that you are inhaling positivity or calmness and exhaling the stress from your body. Some people find it helpful to exhale vocally and forcefully. This practice will allow you to imagine the stress actively leaving your body, which will allow you to calm your mind more easily. 2. Brain dump. A brain dump is when you write down all of your thoughts, feelings, and emotions on a sheet of paper as quickly as possible. This allows you to get the clutter out of your mind, digest the thoughts, and literally throw them away. As a result, your mind calms and you are able to focus on the present and life in front of you. To brain dump, simply get a sheet of scrap paper and write down everything in your mind through bullet points, not full sentences, since it will allow you to get your thoughts out more quickly. Some people like to put on a timer so that the time constraint forces them to think and write faster. Once you've written down every thought, throw the paper away and leave the thoughts in the trash can. After you finish the brain dump, your mind will be clearer since you've gotten the cluttered and unhelpful thoughts out of your mind. As a result, you'll be able to move on from the situation. 3. Be optimistic. Often, a cluttered and stressed out mind is caused by unwarranted pessimistic thoughts about yourself, your performances, and your life. As humans, it is easy to assume the worst, even when a positive outcome is just as likely, if not more so than a negative one. This causes your mind to be overwhelmed and stressed. Whenever you find yourself overwhelmed by pessimistic thoughts, reassess your mindset. Is the pessimism warranted? Are you being too hard on yourself? If so, simply readjust your thoughts to be more optimistic. Then, create affirmations that help you focus on the optimistic outlook of things. Focusing on the positives will help to calm your mind amid stress and chaos. Final thoughts. In conclusion, it is crucial to have a clear and calm mind to have a healthy and happy life. Whenever you find your mind overwhelmed, practice mindfulness to calm it. Try inhaling positivity and exhaling stress, brain dumping your thoughts, and being optimistic. Your mind will calm as you practice these mindfulness techniques.